You know my suit is better. No, trust me, this right here is the best suit. No, you know this suit is better. Double-breasted? Bruh, trust me. This suit right here, your suit can't even touch. Do you see the chocolate in it? No, listen to what I'm telling you, man. This gray with the contrasting buttons. Bro, you can't do nothing with this suit, man. You just can't do anything with it. The fit is impeccable. Gray.
Yeah, Drake. Drake.
Man, that gray don't do nothing for nobody, man. Look at this one. And mine was $10 cheap. Well, mine was $39. Mine was $29.
Got him. Got him.
Well, let's do it. Well, I'm gonna let y'all be the judge.
So here it is. We have this gray double-breasted entire suit. The suit fit. Let's first and foremost, let's talk about the fit of the suit. Off the rack, this is a very good fitting suit off the rack. As far as pants wise, I only had to alter them from the knee down. I did not have to do anything in the waist. I did not have to do anything as far as with the thighs. The double-breasted blazer, if I am going to be honest, it fit a tad bit tighter than the chocolate single-breasted blazer that you guys will see later on in the video, and they're both the same size. What I did was, though, first and foremost, what I did was I exchanged those buttons. I changed the buttons out. They were just gray buttons, so it was just a very kind of bland and plain look, but I wanted to spruce the gray up because there are no stripes or no window pane or no accent, you know, within the suit. So I wanted to do a little bit something different and bring some color and bring just a little different vibe to it. So I changed those buttons out, and I think it gave it a great vibe, and it complemented the loafers that I have on very well, as well as the turtleneck. The gray suit, I really like the way this suit fit. And again, the only downside to this suit is it does fit just a tad bit tighter. I don't know if it's the double-breasted, but in the forearms area, it did fit a tad bit tighter. But other than that, I literally have no complaint for this suit at all. And now we're moving on to the actual brown chocolate suit. And when I tell you guys, I absolutely love this color. But first and foremost, let me go ahead and also tell you I did change these buttons out as well. Because again, the buttons that they already had on it, it was just brown. And so it was very tonal look, but I wanted to do something a little bit different and make that chocolate in the suit really pop. And I knew if I changed these buttons as well, that it would give me that look that I really was looking for. And again, the pants fit exactly the same as the gray double-breasted suit. I did not have to touch anything from the knee down. The jacket, very well-fitting jacket. I did not have to do much tailoring to the jacket. But again, guys, this suit fit really perfect. I have no complaints about how just this single-breasted suit looks, you know, compared to the forearms in that double-breasted suit. I was really looking forward to that double-breasted look, because I am getting more into the double-breasted look. But if I had to decide on which suit I think turned out the best and looks the best, I would have to go with this chocolate suit. Look, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel right now. Also, don't forget to bang that like button. I'll holler at your boy.